Everyone. The today's topic will discuss about a very important topic in SQL, that is joins. In this session, we are going to see what is join and what are the types of join in SQL. A join is a query that combines rows from two or more number of tables based on the common column between them. There are mainly four types of joins in SQL, that is inner join, right join, left join and full join. We are going to see in detail about each one. Now we are going to see what is inner join. Inner join returns those records which having matching columns between both the tables. The inner join returns that having matching values in both the tables. Here is the syntax of inner join. Select fields from table A, inner join table B on A dot key equal to B dot key. Here the key is the common column name between both the tables. For better understanding of inner join, we are moving to picture is showing inner join. Here the table A and table B. Here the yellowish color shows that the common and matching column between both the tables. The result set will come from the matching column between both the tables. That is, here we showed in the yellowish color. Now we are going to execute the example query in the SQL command prompt. For this we are going to open the SQL command prompt. Now we are going to combine the two tables, that is employee table. These are the records present in the employee table, and these are the records present in department table. Now we are going to combine these two by using inner query. Select the name, comma dname. Dname from employee table and dname from department table, comma a dot department number. This is the matching column between both the tables. That is b dot department number from employee table. Now join department table and it is matching column on a dot department number equal to a dot department number. We got the result from inner join, that is employee name from employee table and department name from department table and department number from employee table and department number for department table. These are the matching columns between both the tables, that is employee table and department table. In this way we are going to see all the joins in SQL, that is now we are going to move left join. Left join returns all the records from left table and matching records from right table. This is the syntax for left join. Select fields from table A, left join table B on A dot key equal to B dot key. Here key is the matching column between both the tables. Now we are going to see left join in the picturized format, that is table A and table B. The table A, here the yellowish color shows the data from left table, that is all the records from left table and matching records from right table. Here is the example query for left join. Now we are going to execute in the SQL command prompt, that is select select rename comma rename comma a dot department number equal to a dot department number comma b dot department number. This is the matching column between both the tables from employee table. Left join department table on a dot department number equal to b dot department number. These are the records from left table and matching column from right table, that is employee name from left table and department name from right table. These are the matching records present in both the tables. Now in this way we are going to see full join or right join. Right join returns all the records from right table and those records which satisfy a condition from left table. And this is the syntax for right table right join. Select join from select fields from table A, right join table B on A dot key equal to B dot key. Here key is the matching column between both the tables. For better understanding, we are going to see the picture is data. This is the right join table A and table B. Here the yellowish part shows the all the rows from left table and matching rows from right table, left table. All the records from left table, right table and matching records from left table. This is the example query for right join. Now we are going to execute this query on the SQL command prompt. Select rename comma department name comma a dot department number equal to a dot department number equal to department number comma b dot department number. From employee A, right join department B on a dot department number equal to Select ename, comma department name, comma a dot department number equal to b dot department number from employee table. Right join department table on a dot department number equal to b dot department number. Here department number is the matching column between both the tables. We are going to execute this query. These are the results from right table. That is all the records from right table, including that department number 40. If there is a no matching column at the left table, it will show as null values. Here the employee name is showing null. That means on the left side table there is a no department number from 40. This way we are going to see another join, that is full join. Full join returns all the rows from both the tables. The rows for which there is no matching, the result set will contain null values. This is the syntax for full join. Full join is also called as full outer join. And coming to the picture is information that full join returns all the records from both the tables. That is matching and non-matching rows from both the tables. Now we are going to see the examples for on full join on SQL command prompt. Select name, comma department number from employee table, full outer join from department table B on A dot department number is equal to B dot department number. These are the results from both the tables. That is all the records from employee table and department table. And now we are going to see the cross join. It is also called as join for which each row of one table to every row of another table. This usually happens when matching or where condition is not specified. If we specified a where condition, it will act as a normal inner join. If you not specified where condition, it will give cross product, that is called as Cartesian product. Now we are, this is the syntax for cross join. Select fields from table A, cross join table B, where A dot key equal to B dot key. Here the key is the matching column between both the tables. Now we are going to execute this query on SQL command prompt. That is select ename, comma department number, comma here pro join where A dot department number equal Select ename comma department number from employee table and department table, where a dot department number equal to b dot department number. Now it showed that matching records from both the tables. That is, whenever we mention that where condition, it will act as a inner join. If you don't mention that cross in the cross join, we don't mention that where condition, it will give the partition product. See, we got 56 rows from the cross join. That is, if you mention the where condition, it will give as a inner join result. If you don't mention the where condition, it will give the Cartesian product. In this way, we are going to see what is meant by a natural join. Natural joins based on the same column name and data types. It will give columns from both the tables. That is, from employee table and from the department table. Here is the syntax of natural join. That is, select fields from table A and here is the natural join. Natural join from table B. And here is the example for that. For this query, we are going to execute on the SQL command prompt. That is, select name comma department number comma p dot department number comma p dot department number from employee A. Natural join department B. Now we are getting a error that we no need to qualify the names in the natural join. These are the results from a natural join. And in this way we are going to see the joints. These are the joints present in SQL. If you like the video, please subscribe and share and comment.